I'll be very frank with you, wala pa tayong nahanap na spokes. So wala akong sinisekreto na may spokes na nahanap or wala pa talagang nahanap. So to be honest, I doubt kung meron na next week. But may, on my part at least, siyempre this has to be discussed with the Vice President pa. But on my part, mukhang may sense of urgency dahil mahirap naman kung wala rin kayong nakakausap.
Sir, what qualifications are you looking at first? And second, kung wala pa rin po next week, what will be the remedy like that?
Well, one, someone who can really explain the process well, someone who can laymanize the process para sa ating mga kababayan, and someone who will be consistent with whatever the defense wants him or her to say sa media para hindi, kumbaga, naguguluhan ng taong bayan natin kung ano ba talaga yung posisyon ng depensa. So, yun naman talaga yung basic quality, someone who can really communicate well. And when we say communicate well, it means someone who can laymanize this very technical process.
And a lawyer?
Hindi pa namin napag-usapan. So, of course, it's always easier to understand legal processes if you're a lawyer. But that does not mean, we're not trying to take anything away from non-lawyers. Kasi marami rin naman tayong non-lawyers na magaling rin mag-explain at mabilis maka-pick up. Diba? So, ayokong i-box in to just a lawyer. But definitely, again, I'll repeat, I think there's a sense of urgency on my part to have someone speak for the team.
Pero sir, paano ba nag-insist si VP Sara, especially kanina po, during the explanation of Senator Chis Escudero, meron naman siyang sinay po na not all party. May mga parties na commendable for, working around the rules of the GC. Paano pa nag-insist si VP Sara na kayo pa rin?
Well, tayo, susunod lang din naman tayo sa kliyente. But, of course, I will also provide her with my opinion on matters. It hasn't been easy for me to also navigate yung ano ba yung merits na ano yung hindi. And I'm sure at one point, nagkamali din ako siguro in the past. And I'm sure in the future, maraming pagkakataon na baka, madulas ako at may masagot ako na hindi dapat. So I don't want to risk that because that would also reflect badly on the team. Diba? So this is something I'll have to discuss with her. But of course, at the end of the day, kung anong gusto ng kliyente, yun ang masusunod.